Welcome, welcome, welcome back to the New York session. What is going on, everybody? Well, there's soon gonna be news, so be prepared for some volatility. No, actually, I don't think there's gonna be any major volatility from this news. I don't expect, well, maybe, but anyway. What happened since the New York session? Slowly, but we went up to Friday's, was this Friday? Yeah. Friday AM session, to this AM session high, we can call that. So we took it out as a buy side. Now the question remains, what is going to happen after this? Definitely the smartest thing would be to wait for the news to come out. On ES we have relative equal highs, but ES did not manage to make a new high. Look at this London session, by the way, on ES. Yeah, where is it? Hold on, let me delete some stuff from here. Okay, so from 2 a.m. all the way until the end of the kill zone, it is basically nothing. It's not a clear session. Maybe here was a short opportunity. Nah, nothing really happened. Also on Nasdaq, if we go to yeah, here was the kill zone. Nothing happened here as well. Very slow grind. This was an inversion gap, went higher, then returned back here. I'm telling you, this was a difficult session, crappy session in London. I missed my trade here. I gone short on this fair value gap, and I exited prematurely, and it did go to my final TP, but what can we do? So right now, as I said, the only thing we can do is wait for the news release, and after that, what do we have? Nothing. Absolutely nothing after the 8:30 news release. Yeah, that's at 8:30. So I wonder what is the thing that we can expect from Nasdaq. Let's check crude oil. Pretty much going down a little bit in this session, and gold. Yeah, gold went down after Friday, consolidating. The dollar index also consolidated. This looks to me like building up positions and maybe going higher. If you look at the dollar index on the 1 hour time frame, you will see a gap somewhere above 106.40-ish levels. If you look here on the daily chart, there is a very nice gap since last year November. I think it's going to reach for that gap. So stronger dollar would be exciting to see what or how Nasdaq is going to react to this. I mean, sorry, yeah. We could usually see some strengthening as as the dollar would go stronger, but so far nothing. Let me know what you guys think. 25 minutes until news, and I'd love to go short, but there's nothing here. So far, there's absolutely nothing, no opportunity to go with. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. If the dollar index goes down a bit, what can we expect? Crude oil. Since Friday it retraced lower, but on the daily, nothing extra. Yeah, the money bag is still up there. I know. So as for ES on the daily, I would like to see, by the way, one more push to the upside, but nobody knows that. Nobody knows it. All right. All right, so this was Friday New York AM session swing high. It has been taken. And so far, that's it. Okay. I have an evaluation account from Apex where I think I'm gonna go aggressive. Maybe only with just one micro or something, but I am excited. Hey there. Üdvözöllek, servus. Fellow Hungarian trader here. Yeah. Greg, hey there. Side price. So yeah, side price action, if that's what you mean, yeah. How is everything so far on your end, guys? Pretty much, I mean, I was looking at the London session and everything since then. It's pretty much sideways. I would expect more price action in the New York session for sure, but it was a little bit annoying, this London session, although there was a nice trade here and there, which I did not take. 18,300 many limit order. Oh yes, yes, I checked it. as well, and still a lot of limit orders up there, a lot. So I think it wants to gravitate to those levels. There's a lot. On Bookmap, I see at least 230, 40 limit orders. I see, is there an iceberg up there? So if you guys want to go for an 8 to 10 point scalp, you can do so, but be careful. News are coming out. I wouldn't be surprised if the news candle spike up, take the liquidity, and boom, go down. There's not too much stacked up at the 80s. Well, there's some at the 70s or 80s, but the most of it is still up there at the 300s. Interesting. Yeah, news in 20 minutes. So we have to wait until we get to the news minute. So hey Judith, hi again. Good to see you. I hope you guys made some profit during the London session or after that. Hopefully. I sure hope so. All right. Push the like button, guys. If you can support the stream, just push those likes and subscribe to the channel. We're trading every day. New contents are coming up, so if you can help me out by pushing the like, that would be sweet. Thank you so much. All right. All right. That's the only thing why, I mean, I like to come here and stream, but you know, when we have some kind of a news event like this, it makes the situation a little bit boring until the news come out. So oh, hey Larry, thank you for joining with my link. Thank you so much, Larry. Much appreciated. And thanks for being here on the stream. Larry, I wish you good luck with your trading. Thanks for the support. We're keeping it up. Absolutely. We're going up. How did I say it? We're moving up. We're moving up. Together, you know, guys. We're moving up. If all goes well on Friday we're gonna do a giveaway again, but I'm gonna think about the details. That we can do BULENOX giveaway and maybe a MyFundedFutures giveaway too for 50k accounts. But I'm gonna have to think about some details. And by the way, if you haven't grabbed it already, this month is all about the competition between these prop firms. So some very good sales are going on at every prop firm. Well, TOPSTEP has the usual 20% additional if you use my link and register for a new account. So that's also cool. But MyFundedFutures is definitely outplaying the competition with the current promo. And Apex is also having an awesome sale, 80% lifetime. Huge. So don't miss it. The liquidity at 300 is still there. I think it will spike soon. Should be. Trader G, welcome. How you doing? Let's see what's gonna happen. So what numbers? CPI. Change in the total value of sales at the retail level. Quite important, I think, excluding automobiles. Okay. So that's an important number. The total value should be going up, right? So what happened previously? Pretty much stagnating. Not much in the past few months. But if we have a better number, like just as they expected or even better, then there you go, 300, almost there you go. Liquidity has been taken at 300. Beautifully taken there. Beautifully taken. All right, all right. So now really the question is, what's gonna happen now? You know, I was looking the book map on my left. I mean, I'm not trading the book map, absolutely not. But we saw this liquidity level at the 300 since the London Open, or even earlier. So that 300 level was up there all along. So if your theory was that we're going for that liquidity, you could have taken any long setup down here in the past, you know, couple of hours. Right here, for example. Interesting. Interesting. So, for example, the kill zone was starting at here at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There was a fair value gap here, and you were still aiming for the 300 level. Let's see what could have you done. Even if you go with that, you were good for 1.4 risk to reward. Quite a nice trade. Only based on the liquidity level. Yes, also going for the 2200 finally, about time, right? About time. Wow. We have a quite windy day outside right now. Mario, good morning. Good to see you. How was your trading day so far? Or maybe you just woke up, right? Guys, I am so sleepy. Honestly, I think I was this sleepy like maybe like at least quite a few weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago. I don't know. I don't even remember. I'm so sleepy. I don't know why. But at the same time, I'm excited for the trades. So, what bias you have after open, sell or buy? Polius, that's a very good question. Let's go with NQ. We were talking about this in the London session. We have a 1 hour fair value gap up here. If you look to the left, this is from Friday. It has been untouched so far, and it's not too far. It's starting around 342-ish, so about 40 points away. I think we can go for that. If you look the 15-minute chart, there's also a beautiful order block. So I put this here, 15 minutes / 1 hour order block. I'd like to see price go into that gap. What happens from there, we don't know. Also above that, we have a bearish order block as a higher target. So I don't know which way to go. My bias is more than bullish. I mean, more bullish than bearish. So we'll see. If price keeps moving in the same direction for 2 to 3 minutes after the news, you can open a position in the same direction. Well, you can, but it all depends if you have some reasonable targets, you know. I have a feeling that the news candle, which whatever kind of numbers are coming out, it's gonna go this way anyway. But the question is it going to wick down first and then go up? Or is it going to wick up or go higher? This 1 hour fair value gap is pretty much screaming to be taken. So, good morning, Naz. Good morning, good morning. I had an excellent weekend. I bought a car, so I'm super happy. Finally, I got a car because I was without a car for 2 weeks, and I had to buy a cheap car because my other old car is the engine totaled, so I had to buy one. It's a very super cheap car, and now I can drive. It's a good thing if you can drive. So it's a super cheap car. What difference data? What is difference data non-prop and data pro in MyFundedFutures? Non-pro and data pro. You know, Wick, that's an excellent question. I have no idea. Because I think, I'm sorry, but the pro data, I think when you subscribe for pro data, you will get the DOM, depth of market indicator, so you will see more. You will see, where is it? I think it's here too. No, it's not here. Where is it? Come on. So this is the DOM, which I don't use, but with the pro data you will get a bigger picture of the market orders. And not just that, I think you will have some volume profile indicators I think you can add. updating. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just talking out crazy. I don't really know, but something about that. I never subscribed to the pro data, if that's what you're asking. Huge profit. Nice, Yoshef. 2 minutes after the news. Nice. Traded the night session for the first time last night. Up 200, Mario. That is awesome. That is awesome. That's cool. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Naz. It's a new used car. Exactly. It's a new used car. It's so used that I hope it will survive for the next 1 year. Hopefully. But all I need was just a very, very cheap car that has the engine still in an okay condition. And I'm saving up money for a better car, of course. I just did not want it to go into an expensive car right now, so I just wanted one to bring me from point A to B. That was the goal. Just to bring me from point A to B. And to have an AC. That's it. All right. So the M8 is coming. Just a few more profitable trades. And it's on the way. All right. 2 minutes for news. Sorry, excuse me. I'm a little bit sleepy, yawning here. Excuse me for that. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, so if you guys would like to support the stream, just push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're streaming every day. And if you push the like, that would help out the stream. Thank you so much. Alright, alright. News are out in almost 1 minute. So we'll see how it goes. This is Nasdaq. News are out in 45 seconds. Try to zoom out a little bit so we can see a full reaction on the 1 minute chart here. And this is faster than trading view. This is quant hour chart. Dominic, hey there. So she told me I'm not educated enough to be able to work for them. I'm not surprised. She's right. What? What are you talking about, Dominic? All right, news came out. There you go. Dropped a little bit. Oh, the 5-star hotel. Oh my god, what the hell? They don't know what they're missing. Anyway, dude. Their loss. 277, 260. I wonder if it wants to go lower. All right. The fair value gap is still looking juicy up there. This was most certainly a little bit of a liquidity sweep. And because ES didn't take out the 5200, I'd like to see that happening real soon. Inky, hey there, good to see you. Okay, so this is definitely a market structure shift. And let's check out the numbers. Maybe we will have them by now. Let's refresh the page. Oh, look at that. It's actually great news. It's very good news. Okay. That's actually a little bit mixed data. Overall positive, I think. More positive than negative, I think. So that would be good for the stock market, right? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but it should be good. Okay, so repricing this area here. I don't trust this short, so I'm not taking any trades on this. I mean, yeah, this is why. Look at that. 308. More than likely looks like it wants to go higher. Oh, yeah. The way it's printing. Spiked higher. Dirty move. Let's see. Yeah, if I look at, yeah, so if you look at this candle on the 5-minute or the 15-minute, at this moment, it's a long wick bullish pin bar. And these kind of pin bars also like to be broken at the downside. The bullish ones. So, can you show me 1-minute candle? Sure, I can actually show you on here. 1-minute candle, straight from Quant Tower. The way it's the way it's printing. I'm telling you guys, we're going for the 40s. Wow. 1 minute, let's go. So still the 1 minute, look at this. Liquidity is at 43. Almost certain that the liquidity is at 43. Has to be. Damn it. I do feel some FOMO. Should I be jumping in to attack the 40s? I know. 15 minutes, sorry. So this is the 15-minute. I like this area here too. Look at this swing right there on the 15-minute. I definitely like this level at 43. Oh man, tempted. Even if it gets to the 40s, that would be awesome. Jumped into a scalp with no stop loss, actually. I'm targeting that liquidity. It's only one micro because I missed the entry. This was just chasing price, but it should be going for that 1 hour liquidity. I have no stop loss on the trade, just saying. I'm playing Wild West. No stop. Come on, just a little bit more. Should be pushing, and there you go. All right, and we are in the fair value gap. Perfect. In the fair value gap. And now comes the FOMO. Why did not I take it with 1 mini, right? YOLO strat. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Trade Oracle, hey there. I should have done with the YOLO strat. I should have gone with the YOLO strategy. But since this happened, let's look at the 15-minute. So it took out this high. We still have the order block up at 379. It's a good target, but the low-hanging fruit was here at 343. That was the low-hanging fruit. So we have to be careful and watching these levels. Are we going to have a reversal? Maybe a push higher? We can push all the way through this gap, by the way. But this was a classic low-hanging fruit. But the problem, there was no entry, so that's why I just scalped it. Nazibul Hassan, thank you so much for the subscription and welcome on the channel and on the stream. Welcome. Thanks for joining. So, if anyone wants to push higher, this is your chance right now at 29 to enter along and push through the order block all the way up to 77. What do you guys think? Do you guys want to risk it for the biscuit or not? You have to be a little bit aggressive here. It's like 50 points. You can do it actually, but who knows? You have to be careful. There is a lot of liquidity above the 50s, it seems like, for now. So that definitely looks interesting up there. There's like 140, 150 contracts up at the 50s. I'll wait for 320 maybe for long. Yeah. Absolutely understandable. I'm wondering if this one wants to go for the 50s. It's still there. It's still there. I just shorted for 900 profit. Come on. Nice. Congratulations. 900 profits. Wow. You were in like, how many minis? You were in with about 4 minis, at least 3. something like that. Okay, still waiting. I went balls deep. It's what I do. I know you're a big player. You struck me as someone who has the balls to go in big. Well, we still have the liquidity up at the 50s. You talking to me? I'm talking to Inky too, of course. Of course, of course. Guys. Are we gonna go for that level or not? That's the big question. Started to go finally. Let's see how far she gets. Let's see that. Maybe nowhere. Maybe this is it. I got your humor. I got it. I'm out of long, ready to go short soon. Oh yeah, so if there would be some kind of a structure shift here, then absolutely. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Maybe this is gonna happen all the way until the market open. Like no movement at all. Well, this one can go anywhere. It can just dip lower, reprice down there at 290 something, below the 300s. And yeah, we just don't know that. The thing is, if you look at the 5-minute, this huge long wick candle is also an area that I think price would revisit. Waiting for confirmation pivot. Now, okay. Let me see. The liquidity is still above, still around the 50s. But are they going to put it away from there or just leave it? Guys, push the like button and please subscribe if you can or if you would like to. Pushing the like button is free and helps out the stream. Thank you, thank you. Well, maybe we have to wait all the way until market open. Who knows? It's the waiting game. Somebody pulled the plug again. That's what happens. I should just go and grab a drink again. This waiting. Alright, I'm just gonna go and grab a drink. And wait for the news or sorry, news market open. Or no, maybe I'm just gonna wait. Ah, it's not moving. Frustrating. I thought that suddenly it just wants to go into the fair value gap, but it's not going there. What? My dog chewed through the cable. It's my bad. I'm okay. There you go. Please, please, Trade Oracle. Please do that. Help out everyone. All right, going down. Actually not. It's not going down. that liquidity with the contracts, I mean 111 contracts plus something, it's still up there at 350 area. So if this, I mean, is this a liquidity sweep? Don't know. Don't know. It can go below the 300. Yeah, I think no action until then. Well, guys, this is it. I'm gonna fix a drink and I'll be right back. All right? No, I can't leave you guys here. That would be rude from me. Even if I just... But I think I do need to fix a coffee. That's a life savior. So... Next, I will be trading from Paris. Really? Inky. That's awesome. A traveling trader. Are you for serious? Because if you're traveling from Paris... I'm sorry. Trading from Paris, that would be awesome. How cool is that? You're home. Nice. Paris. That's how they say it, right? Paris. I know. Yeah, Ness, so I was thinking what could we do, but nothing really. Yeah, just enable the doorknob camera. Everybody is fascinated by your doorknob. You're French. Alright, Inky. That's cool. I can do like a moving webcam. Webcam? Come on, guys. You see, this is the problem. Because I couldn't sleep and I can't talk English. Bonjour. Maybe I can talk French. Who knows? Bonjour. Madame, Monsieur, Mademoiselle. Is that not French? Very good, Francis. Okay. Madame, Monsieur, Mademoiselle. I don't know. Some movie, I guess. I don't know. I have a... Oh, wow. It's very windy outside. I have a French pop singer who I really like. Kate Ryan. Kate Ryan. I guess Inky knows who she is. Most likely she is singing pop music, you know. She's French. And when she's singing French, I like that. I don't know what she's singing about, but I do like it. Hans Landa. Oh, wow. By the way, who is that actor? I always forget his name. Christoph Waltz, of course. The way that actor Christoph Waltz presented the character Hans Landa, wow, that was like more than professional. I think it was more than professional. The way he speaks multiple languages, even if he just I don't know if the actor really speaks fluently all those languages, but what he did there, the character, it was perfect. Anyway, of course, I'm not gonna deep into that because he was a cruel person. So I'm not saying I'm sympathizing, but or anything. I'm just saying that it was a cool act. Actually, it was Hans Landa who said that, Madame, Monsieur, something like that. I don't know. Oh yeah, I know that. Oui, Madame, or something like that. That's what he said. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, that scene when they meet at the cinema. Wow, that scene alone is like wow, and also when he meets with the Jewish girl in the restaurant, also incredible, incredible, incredible acting, incredible acting. I think he received some award, like he received an Oscar or something for that. I don't know. Did he? I mean, in my book, that's an Oscar. What he did there. Anyone can say anything. In my book, that was an Oscar. What the hell just happened? The liquidity that was up at the 350s is just gone now. No more liquidity. It's gone. It's over. It's over. I don't know. 350s got wicked. No, they didn't. No. The 350 level is still untouched. There. It's still there. I mean, it could go there. Just a quick phone call, guys. Right after writing that effing what? Helicopter flies by my backyard. What? My bong and lighters. What? And the lighter to them so they can see me. All right. Okay, best 420 April ever. Well, you know, I guess helicopters are everywhere. Yes, it's Nascalp God. He's now Scalp G Nasty. I do like the names there. Guys, it's so windy outside. It's crazy. All right. Yes, making some new highs as well. I can show you outside if you guys want to see outside, just let me know, and maybe I can show you a webcam. How's about that? Are you guys want to see? There's a construction going on next to our building. They're lifting up a new house, so a lot of machines and everything here. But I think I can connect. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. I guess I can do this. Video capture device. How do I add this? Droid. Yeah, that's the droid cam. All right, it's working. What? What just happened? Is this still on? All right, you guys can follow me to check out the building, the construction site. All right, this is my monitor. I'm gonna blur the screen for now, and just a second. All right, so that's the view. So I just showed you guys the view. That's the construction that's going next to our building. They're building a huge house. I found Waldo. All right. I'm gonna fix up a coffee, guys. I'll be right back. That's true, Dominic. I should be having a coffee machine at the PC. Yeah. I know. I know. But it's actually a good idea. I think it's actually a good idea. Have a machine right here. Mm. That is next level upgrade. A toilet. A toilet? A coffee machine? What else do we need? You know? uh, all right, all right. Dishwasher. Good idea. And I need to have some food here all the time. So how do I get food? I need food. Someone to bring food all the time. Plumbers from... Yeah, Mario. I think I'm gonna let them know. Please, guys, just install some kind of a toilet for my desk. So we technically wait for the high of the day to form. Well, something like that. Something like that. I'm also waiting for, well, waiting for price to take out at least take out the 413, which would be an order block high, including only the body on the 15-minute candle, but otherwise nothing. Short it now? Threatened. Well, I'd love to short it. Looks great, but threatened. With all my respect, I think we just have to wait for the market open. Yeah. But thanks for joining the stream. Hey, how you doing? How's your trading going on so far? Okay. Dun, 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 dun. We should be breaking the 50s, right? Now there's how many? There's still like around 90 contracts at 50, so it should be spiking through. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and if you could help out the stream, please push the like button. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, on to the 50s. Sweeping some liquidity. I'm scared to go short right now. Not until we see the market open. Inside this 1 hour CB or fair value gap. And we don't even know what ES wants to do. Still have some good targets up there. I'm staying on the bullish side for now. So Okay, 10 more minutes to go. I'm still liking the buy side up at 383. I do think that's a good level for those order blocks, 15 minutes / 1 hour. I do like it as potential targets. Let's see if we get something. Okay. Bookmap still shows liquidity above 352, 355-ish area. So looks bullish. Yeah, nothing is gonna move until then. Yeah, I'm not trading Bookmap, but sometimes I check on it. I'm not the fan of Bookmap anyways, but if there's nothing to do, you know, if we are super bored out of our minds, what can we do? I look for everything. I look for signs, you know. For now, Bookmap shows some liquidity there, but that liquidity, I mean, it shows up, but it's also disappearing in any fraction of a second, so that doesn't really mean anything. It was a distraction. I'm not trading Bookmap as well. If I'm bored out of my mind, I check out if there is some liquidity around the place, so it gives me some kind of a bigger understanding or whatever, but I'm not trading it. The problem with Bookmap, I think, and I'm only saying this like someone who has never traded Bookmap, is that many cases, as much as I followed it, as price approaching that certain liquidity on the chart, it just goes away. You know, they're putting it on there, and as soon as price approaching it, they're taking it away, those contracts. And so I can't make up. I don't know how to understand those kind of actions. Disturbing for sure. Deceiving, exactly, Inky. It's a little bit deceiving. For example, this 350 level, when price was somewhere, I don't even know, somewhere here, there was a huge chunk of liquidity at 350. And somewhere here, it just disappeared. Price went down there again. Of course, it went back up there, but anyway, it just disappears. Bookmap has level 3 data too. Too much noise. Yeah, need to filter a lot of thing in Bookmap. Yeah. I see some colors and signs and stuff like that, but those are just, you know, appearing and then disappearing in a matter of seconds. Doesn't really show all that much to me. And Bookmap absolutely not showing you the complete picture, just, you know, a fraction of a portion from the market of what's happening at those price areas. So So pretty much interesting. Or uninteresting. Is it this issue? Oh yeah. How long am I going to stream today? Well, I don't know. Depending on the price action. I'll try to stay here for the AM session. So not sure about the PM session. I rarely trade nowadays the PM session, but yeah. So Paulius, I try to look for some trades during the 10 AM hour. So yeah, that would be the target, but I don't know. This looks like a short, maybe. Could be going higher too, like this was a sweep with this candle. Could be continuing higher. Three more minutes. Actually, 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Come on, let's go. Until we're waiting, I'm gonna insert an ad just before the market open. No, I'm not. Don't worry. I'm not going to, or maybe I will. Who knows? All right, I'm inserting an advertisement until we wait for the open. Please watch it if you can, and you can click on it as well. Thank you. Let's see what else. Hopefully we'll get some movement here. We have to. We just need to. So we are going to have an opening bell at market open. So it's going to be super loud. Just saying. Super, super, super loud. The bell goes bam, 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 bam. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's count down together. All right, it's gonna be super loud. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, seeing a sharp reversal on price. On the 15-minute, also significant. What a drop here. 30 points instantly. Shifting structure on the 5-minute too. Let's see if this is going to be the final move or not. Get ready. Told you to short it. There you go, Fredent. I know. Yeah. Fredent told us earlier. Yes, that's true. That is true. That is true. Right here at 9:14. Exactly. Perfect short there. Congratulations there. It was nice. Sorry. I was expecting this call. Okay, so it's dropping. Beautiful trade, Fredden, by the way, again. Nice drop, healthy 50 points, 60 points even more. So it was good. It was a good one. Let's see, where can this one go? It's dropping though. This was the news candle. So that would mean we can still drop maybe 10 points. Who knows? Right? I don't know. If not, then not. Question is it want to take out the news candle? To me, it seems like it. So should be taking out the 70. Holding for 200 points with my runners as always. Nice, Fredent. That's nice. Relative equal lows here. Touching the VWAP. No rejection so far. Beautiful target there. Dropping like a rock. Look at this. Tapped into that liquidity. Wow, what a move. And if you look at the 1 hour, we can go all the way back. Actually, relative equal lows at 242 could be an interesting level. If you look at the 242 from today's London session, beautiful sell side target. I'm gonna put a marker right there. It's not super accurate, but it's somewhere around 242. Could be good for a drop. We're gonna trend down today and reverse tomorrow. Could be happening. And that means the 242 could be in jeopardy if they send it through. A little bit of a pullback. What a drop, really. From 50 down to 60, almost 90 points, nearly 100 points there. And it very well could be the case that this one is just gonna dump through these levels, take out the sell side at 42. I do like that 42 level, to be honest. I very much like it. Just don't know how far it goes. But it's definitely down there. Look at that. Tried to run for it, retraced back up there. Could this be the Judas swing? Who knows? And I'm just saying, could this be a seek and destroy or a Judas swing? Sweeps the liquidity and goes up again. Could easily be the case. But it would be even sweeter if this would take out the relative equal lows down there. ES dropped. We'll see. So far it's holding this. Could be the second leg of distribution lower, but if it's shift to structure, it can go up. How far can it drop? That's the question. All right. Going back. Could be shifting. Could be shifting back. Nice reaction so far. If this candle closes higher, than this structure, then maybe, but we still need the next candle to confirm this retracement as a market structure shift to go back higher and to aim for those order blocks. Okay, so this candle should not reprice this gap completely. It should leave it. For example, like this. Could be. 40 seconds still. Short the pops. Yeah, this could be a healthy pop here to be shorted. Look at this. All right. Going back up. Going back up nicely there. There was a fair value gap down there. I'm gonna put my fib tool here, and optimal trade entry is there. Could be seeing a reversal or continuation in the trend to the upside, but we'll see. Where could this go? If this would be the entry, and with the 1 to 2 risk to reward, it can go all the way to the 70s. So yeah. Anyway, it's not confirmed yet. Popped into this fair value gap right there. We have the 1 hour order block, which I do like, up there. Another one above that, and ES almost like the same targets. I do like the bullish movement here. I'm not saying it won't drop. So if you guys are short, you are at the optimal trade entry level. It could go lower easily. This is the decision point. If it drops from here sharply, then should be going straight to the 42s and then take out the midnight area again below 200 after that. So anything is possible. Not sure if I want to risk more on a trade like this than just the smallest one, which would be 1 micro, because if I would enter down here, I would still need to risk, like, if I go with 1 micro, that would be around $70 or $80. But it seems like it's not going down there. Maybe now. I'm not risking. Absolutely. That's why I'm saying the optimal trade entry would be somewhere at 291. To go long here. But just as Fredden said, this one can just, you know, go down crazy. Had the small market structure shift here on this candle. Bullish market structure shift there. I don't know. Yeah, both long and short trades are, you know, could be ideal, but it's consolidating now, and I don't think we have any more news, right? Yeah, no more news. Yeah. Yeah, of course, I understand completely, Dominic. That's why it's a little bit interesting to see what it wants. Okay, now it's dropping. Maybe the way that it should. Or maybe just repricing. It's inside that gap, this previous one. So that could be the optimal entry to go long here, but nobody knows. But if it takes this out, then I'm almost certain that we're gonna go for the 42s down there. Pretty sure about that. And that's why it's a huge question to decide which direction to go with. Because if it goes down to, let's see, well, yeah, could go down to the 60s even from here. We just saw an immediate reprice, which could be dangerous. If this one is not holding, then could go through the weave up again. But if it holds, then it goes. We just don't know that. So no positions for me. I want to wait what happens after this. Is it wants to go back to what was the 930 right here, to the market open high, or just dump lower? I think it wants to go lower. If not, it's gonna be a huge trap for the bulls. A little bit of indecision. Not really able to dig higher. For Apex 10 minimum trading, if I at the profit trade and consistency rule for withdrawals, and if I'm only 4 trading days, so for I don't need to open trade. Well, let's go again with this. So for Apex 10 minimum trading days, if I'm at the profit target and consistency rule for withdrawal, and if I'm only 4 days so far, do I need to open trade? Yes, you have to. Just, you know, open a micro. That's simple, DM. That's all you have to do. Open a micro transaction, and that's fine. I'd wait for another displacement. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for now. I understand how you feel, and know every trader has felt like this before a lot. You know, your best bet is to remain patient and be okay with putting risk only on A+. Exactly, Nas, exactly. Whilst managing risk appropriately. Yeah, exactly. Completely agree. That's what the most important thing is. So, completely agree with you there. New York session doesn't need to be feared, only respected with patience. Yeah, absolute, and I feel the wisdom there. George, hey there. Well, no trade yet. There was a nice drop, which I did not participate in because I had no entry on my end. Now we're just waiting if it wants to go higher, reprice an hourly order block, or maybe dump again to the downside. I don't know. That's what we're waiting for now. So that would be an interesting scenario. See how that goes. Not sure. So just waiting for now. I don't know if it wants to return to the market open or continue to drop from here. Repriced a little bit here, so could just dump or go back above the 340s, 50s. Sorry, above the 50s, and we'll see what happens from there, right? I would be surprised if this one would go up there, but who knows? Trading is full of surprises, as we all know it. It's full of surprises. We still have order blocks up there both on ES and Nasdaq. If they want to push it to the 15-minute and the 1 hour, there's a chance for the 350s. Otherwise, we have to wait. No setup for me. Well, me neither. Retry tanking. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it will try tanking again because it feels heavy. So could be going down. The tanking could continue from here. This was a sharp drop after the open. But it's also the case of the Mondays. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, and there's also an account with MyFundedFutures here. 50,400. I should be taking a trade on this one. Here on TradingView. Maybe I can take a trade on this. Why not? You know, that's a possibility. Why shouldn't we take a trade on this account on TradingView? I think I will if I see an opportunity. Oh, it's falling a lot, really? Wow. How is the... Okay, I was just checking on ES2 and a little bit strange here. I think the dump could continue from this moment on. Nobody knows. Or it could be just a ranging market all the way to the PM session. But the market feels heavy. What if it will dump all the way down to, I don't know, make some new lows, maybe down to 42. I don't know. Feels strange. I mean, in this scenario, we could be expecting it to go through the 60s down there and take out those relative equal lows. There's some good targets. Maybe they still want to push it to the order block up there, which can happen super easy. But I think it will eventually. Question is today or tomorrow? But we need the decision point to see where it goes. Until then, it's just a waiting game, guys. It's boring. It's boring. No clear pattern here. We had some liquidity sweep. Are we gonna dump again? Who knows? We have some good targets down at 42. But we also have some good targets up there in the order block area. Again, it's hard to say. I don't know. Feels like it wants to reprice up there, but I really don't know. I'm really not sure. Oops. It could be just hovering around here. We are exactly at the point of absolutely nothing. But I stand by my original analysis, is that thing can be bullish. So I expect some bullish move from here. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Should be going up there. Or not. But because there was no structure shift on my end, oh, well, only here, I'm not entering. Inside the silver bullet hour, by the way. Yeah, indecision. Indecision, guys. No clear direction. No clear moves. A lot of indecision. And ES looks like might want to push once more to 52.19. So that maybe can help NQ. But I don't know. Still just hovering with no structure shift. Okay. So are we gonna go for the 42s or what? This one is not shifting. In fact, hard to say. Let me open a chart here real quick. Okay, repricing here. This gap, but it's not a real structure shift. Although it could be considered as one. Not sure. It could be. So technically this was a possible short entry on this small gap here, which would project that we can go down to 242, and it does maybe. Oh, look at that. Now it's melting. This here was a little bit of a crazy move. And I was hesitating too much to enter, and I didn't. That was a huge error on my end. Yeah, so 42 is definitely a good target now. Look at that, relative equal lows. It's going. It's gonna go through 42 like butter. There, we have it. 42 has been tagged. Low is 42, exactly. What a trade could have been this one. And I missed it. Not gonna lie, I do have some FOMO. Hey, morning, Kid Nash. 192 is Asia low. Oh yeah, we can go there. Oh, thank you so much, Kid Nash. I had a great weekend, and let's hope you have a great trading week. Thanks for liking the channel. And the stream. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. Going down. Where can we go from here? Boom. That was first distribution happening right now. Yeah. I mean, just it's a classic. This was the first yeah. First phase retracing, second phase distribution. And now we're heading lower and lower. There you go, Fred, and congratulations, 100 points done. That's how it's done. I was messing up my whole trade entry and I was scared to enter. And now it's too late. I missed the move. I missed the move actually. You won 300. All right. Well, it can squeeze 300. I'm still looking for a possible entry on my end. I just don't know where to. I mean, look at this. Look at this go. What a drop. Seems like there's no stopping until 92 and then even lower to the 50s. And Friday's low is at 120. How about that? ES is also dropping like crazy. Huge, huge, huge sell-off here. Should have been holding it. If I enter. Shoulda, but I coulda. Well, too late for that. Okay. I don't know. Let's check for some news because this was definitely, I mean, oh, Fed Williams. This guy is talking from Fed, I think, or was talking. I don't know. No, that was earlier, so it's not relevant. Maybe there was a revision. Housing market. Nothing really. Fresh Delgado, hey there. Tom, I just came to say I bought another 50k. Thank you so much, Fresh Delgado. Thank you for the support and everyone who used my code and link. And congratulations for the profit again to Fred, and thank you again, Fresh Delgado. Passed it with you passed the account in gold. Nice. That's how it's done. You're the man. Thank you so much, Fresh Delgado. Oh, and I missed this move. In 10 minutes, gold dropped. Oh. Oh my god. Let's look at gold. Oh wow. Look at that. Nice one. That looks like a clean drop, just like with NQ. What was happening with the dollar index? Let me check it. USDX went higher, but still, what a nice trade. Congratulations. I'm also happy for myself too, because I made like not too much, but I made almost $90 on my Express funded account. Not too much, I know, but I was only going with micros, so $90, actually $88 on my funded account with TOPSTEP here, one of my funded accounts. So slowly building up, but yeah, it was good. Tried to scalp it, but let's hope. Wendley, hey there, good morning. Paulius, when our market drops, you know it's feds. Oh yeah, if feds are talking, it's definitely upside down. Please have a free reset for TOPSTEP. Well, I can pass on the information actually, Wendley. I will pass it on, but unfortunately I'm a nobody to say it will happen. But you know, we'll try to pass the information to do free resets again. Oh. What a drop. What a drop. Guys, this was really a strong drop. I mean, despite the fact that we are still in the AM session, and nowadays it used to be really boring. Very nice reclaim my market now, yeah. It's going back up there nicely. Almost made a relatively equal low again. Could this be the third phase of distribution down? I think it could be. We have some sell size down there. Well, somebody from Fed was speaking. This guy, Fed Williams, was talking, but it was like almost 90 minutes ago. So actually not now. Fed Williams, so that was the major. I don't see the recent inflation data as turning point. That's what he said about 1.5 hours ago. 1 hour and 40 minutes ago-ish. So he's still talking. I don't know if he's talking still. I mean, oh, there you go. Yo. So FOMC member Williams is talking. I don't know who is this. This guy. This is the guy who is talking right now. I don't know what he's doing. It's going down, yeah. But I'm not sure. I don't know if that was the one that moved the market, but anyway. All right. Nothing is moving so far. I mean, in this moment, I think it's gonna consolidate again for who knows how long, and then we'll see. Getting boring a little bit. Guys, nothing is. I mean, I missed my move. It was up here. My bias was wrong. I was hoping to go long. Fortunately, I didn't take that. But then I missed my short trade. So honestly, I'm not really in the mood to take any trade because my mind is messed up. So actually, what I'm gonna do. You made 461 times 4. Wow. Ijas, congratulations. Dude. That's awesome. Congratulations for that consolidation for now. Well, it could drop below the 192 level. Continue lower. Look at that. 5,200. Dude, Ijas, congratulations. That is insane. I wish I could be there. I'm just, you know, I'm so slow and trade so small. Takes time for me to have the balls to do that, what you're doing there. It's the waiting game, guys. And now I just feel like I want to force some trades, which is not healthy at all. It's not healthy. So I don't know what to do. Okay. Anyways, you know what? I'm just gonna cut the stream. I'm tired. I don't feel the mood. I missed my entry. Kill zone is almost over. I don't like to trade the PM session anyway, and I feel FOMO. Actually, I'm definitely battling with some FOMO. Although I made profit today, but this drop, you know, I'm sorry, guys. We have fresh mind. Yeah. Abdi, yo, thank you, but yeah, thank you, really. Anyway, I mean, I'm sorry, guys. I just don't feel my mindset. I missed the move. I was on the wrong side. I'm gonna say it out loud. Today, I'm just not feeling the AM session in New York. I have to sleep, so I'm coming back tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. But I think this is it for me today. Fresh tomorrow. I have to sleep. I have to sleep because I'm super tired. Have an awesome trading day. If you want to support the stream, of course, use my links and codes. Thank you so much. And subscribe to the channel. We'll be back tomorrow with fresh ideas. And London session is coming next. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Love you all. Have a great day or evening, morning, whatever. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you, Sia. Thank you, guys. Sorry, this was not my day. See you guys tomorrow.